Finance Minister Arun Jaitley presented the Union Budget for 2016 and 17. Focusing on the educational aspect, Jaitley announced many beneficial elements to upgrade the education system and for the bright future of the students, such as 10 public and 10 private educational institutes to be made world-class. Students of Chandigarh University come forward with their views on the budget 2016 and 17.
अरुण जेटली जी ने जो भी बनाया बहुत ही सोच समझ के बनाया होगा, लेकिन हाँ उनके बैठ से एक चीज़ से मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि चीज़ ये कि उन्होंने जो हमारे मध्य वर्ग लोग हैं उनका खास तौर से ख्याल रखा है। हाँ बेशक गाड़ियाँ महंगी हुई हैं जो हुआ है, लेकिन जो हमारे मध्य वर्ग है वो क्या चाहते हैं, उनकी डेली नीड्स क्या हैं, उस पर खास तौर से ध्यान रखा गया है, जो कि बहुत ही नई और बहुत ही अलग पहल है। क्योंकि हमारे देश में माना जाता था कि जो अमीर है वो अमीर होता जा रहा है, जो गरीब है वो गरीब होता जा रहा है, लेकिन इस प्रथा को बदलने की कोशिश की है अरुण जेटली जी ने, और जो गरीब है उसके बारे में सोचा है। मेरे यही विचार हैं इसके।
The current budget is mostly about the farmers and the agriculture sector. I think it should be more about the defense and the IT sector area. The farmers, we also know India is a rich in farmer and agriculture industry, but it should also consider about the new trends in the world. As you know, IT sector and we are also lagging behind in defense sector.
Actually, I'm quite impressed about the budget because it didn't help common people. In indirect ways, there are too many taxes taxes on the public. In spite of this, if your annual income is more than 5 lakh, then you have relaxation of only 3,000 only. That is only relaxable for the people, common people. In spite of this, there is no any relaxation for the people. And other thing is there is improvement in other sectors like कृषि department and something. There are too much increment like 74% and 84%. So that will be good.
As Arun Jaitley, he has said that the farmers will be a lot of benefited from this budget, but according to me, I don't think that they have taken any major step. Yeah, they have made other resources and they have decreased the tax rates, but again that all things are in a favor of the rich people, rich community. But if compared to the villagers only, then I don't think they are that benefited.
मेरे अकॉर्डिंग जो बजट है इस बार बहुत सोच समझ के बनाया गया है और उसमें ज़्यादातर जो एग्रीकल्चर के लिए ज़्यादा डिमांड में है उसमें।
I thought the budget was not up to the mark because it doesn't look for the farmer section of the country, and moreover it is concerned the budget was more oriented to the business classes of the country. So in the next budget he should look forward.
I'm happy with the budget.
Okay, so what makes you happy about it?
Because in this budget he focus on the poor peoples, and also he just try to make money for India for his future planning.
It was balanced economic.
50-50. You have mixed reactions for the budget.
Yeah.
Thank you.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर इस बजट में ज़्यादा ध्यान रोज़गार को लेके दिया जाता और यूथ को अगर हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मुहैया करा पाते तो मेरे ख्याल में इस देश का भविष्य के लिए भी अच्छा रहता और बजट को भी 100 में से 100 मार्क्स दिए जाते।
Budget is actually a very tedious task. Since we are planning a budget for the household, that is not a small thing. They are making a budget for the whole of the India.
Chandigarh University organized a training session of Tally for the MBA students of Banking and Finance Engineering. It was a corporate connect session hosted by the Apex Institute, for which Mr. B.S. Bhattacharya, Assistant Manager from Tally Solutions under Tally Education Company, was the key speaker. He introduced the Tally ERP9, which is the latest technology in the field of commerce. Students were made familiar to this software and had a practical experience utilizing it under the guidance of Mr. Bhattacharya.
In this scenario, if you are talking about the industry's accounting scenario, you can find everywhere the ERP system is going on. So our Tally software is also based on ERP systems, by which you can maintain all type of accounting as well as HR, finance, inventory. All these things you can manage in a single platform through Tally, and it's also based on remote access facilities. So
the Department of Student Welfare organized an inter-department street play competition with the title Al Shara, in which students from 6 departments performed on various themes like Maa Baap Ko Mat Bhulna by Law Department, drug addiction by Applied Sciences, and many other interesting topics.
ਅੰਕਲ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਗਲਤ ਸੰਗਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸ ਗਿਆ ਨਸ਼ੇ ਪੱਤੇ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਪਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਸ਼ੇ ਪੱਤੇ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਅੰਕਲ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਵੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਪਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਇਹ ਹਾਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਤੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਚਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ
Performance was judged by Captain Kushwant Singh, CGC Landra, Professor Jagdeep Singh, Civil Engineering Department, Chandigarh University, Professor Ripandeep Singh, Mechanical Engineering Department, Chandigarh University, Mr. Gurpreet Singh, NSS Coordinator, Chandigarh University. The jury was focusing on the creativity brought forth by the participants. The top 3 positions were bagged by law, taking the first position, applied science won second, and the third position taken by the animation department.